Hello biology students, I have a great video for you to watch today. The link to this video is in the description of this video that I've made myself. It is made by ACE Connect. ACE is a curriculum very similar to ABECA, and they should give you everything that you need in order to correctly do your perch dissection today. They review the external anatomy and internal anatomy among some other things. So make sure you watch that whole video and get your lab report into me by the time by the time you are ready to do packets on Monday. Okay? I hope you are well, and I'm sorry I couldn't do this lab in person. So, I will see you guys later.